Hey, you. Yes, you that's watching this. I want to talk to you right now. My name is Coach Keon Corniff. I'm a financial educator and business coach, and I'm currently looking for some more business partners. If you're someone that's keeping your options open to learning more about finance or learning more about business or learning about different financial services, I'm looking for more business partners. But I'm asking you straightforward. Are you open to learning more about finance if it didn't conflict with your current schedule? And are you open to earning more money if it didn't conflict with your current schedule? I want to talk to you. I'm expanding and I'm looking. I'm looking for people in all 50 states, Canada, Hawaii, Puerto Rico. I'm looking for people that's looking for an opportunity to learn and earn. So if you're someone that's looking to learn and earn, I want to talk to you. Let me tell you about this business opportunity in the highest paying industry in the world, which is the financial industry. Yes, I'm looking for someone, and I may be you. Get in touch with me. Text me at 973-873-5977. Let's have a money talk.